What is up, guys? It's your boy Spider657 back at it again with a new video. And yes, this is my first video of this year. Yeah, and I came and I got the thing that I guys wanted to show you, but sadly it's not the surprise video that I promised you guys on Instagram. And yes, you know, the poll I did, it was June, was it? I think it was June, somewhere around there. I'm not quite sure when, but one of those days. And yes, and here now we're back. I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna be doing an unboxing video. Sorry about that. An unboxing video. Yes, I got the iPhone 7. Yeah, I know. 3 years late. It came out September 2016. The battery life on it is a 14 hours talk time. The screen is a 4.7 inch. The resolution on the screen is a 1334 by 750. The feature has the 4G LTE, a squad band water resistant. The weight on it is a 4.87 OZ. Yeah, and the features on it, it has sensors, security devices, in other words, a fingerprint reader. Alright, now let's go for the good stuff. So the front camera, the lens is f/2.0. The camera mode is a burst mode or a timer mode. Yes, and the light source is a rear flash. It has a front end flash. It has exposure control, audio image stabilization, and yeah. Now we go. It had the video. The video is 1920 by 1080. In other words, 1080p at 30 FPS. 920 by 920 by 1080p at 60 ps. And yeah. Now enough with the stuff like that. Yeah. Now let's get into the boxing. So the iPhone 7, as you can tell, it's box, side, yeah, the Apple logo. Now we unbox it. Yep, so easy to move. It's kind of amazing. Look at it. Wow, so easy. Now we're greeted with the design by logo tab, which is kind of cool. I actually like it. Now we remove it and look. So it gives us a welcoming. It shows us how to use it and stuff like that. Use it. The back, nothing really. SIM ejector. The warranty and stuff like the paperwork warranty, and Apple stickers, which is kind of cool. I really like these. Probably put it in my refrigerator or something. Now we get right to the phone. And yeah, we took the phone out. We got the phone out. Yeah, there goes the iPhone 7. Let's move out of the way so you guys can see it. Yes, it's a matte black. Yeah, it's matte black. Now let's go ahead and turn it on. While we wait for that, see? iPhone 7, really nice. Really like the color. I'm not gonna lie, personally. Got a camera, stuff like that. Now it's on, right? So yeah, now it's on. Sorry about that. Yep, and yeah, I went ahead and set it up, which is kind of cool, where you guys can see. Yes, as I was saying, since it has 3D touch, I can just hold it down. It's gonna do that. It has different modes for it, that stuff like that. Not all of them has 3D touch. Like Instagram has 3D touch. Facebook does not. You hold down to delete it. And stuff like that, the usual. Now, which is great about this, because you hold down, you get that live effect. You have to push it hard so it could work. Now, enough with the phone. One little look at it. Oh yeah, also it doesn't have a the headphone jack. Yeah, it's now a headphone jack. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how to do that. I'll show you in a bit. Now let's put the phone on the side. We got the earphones, right? There you go. Earphones that come with it. And you know what's strange? It did not came with a 3.5 meter to lightning anymore. I don't know why it did not came with it, but okay. Now we open it up, and yeah, this is how we connect. So we use this to connect to the phone. It uses the same thing as the charger. Yeah, the charger. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, charger. It has because it has the stereo speakers, which is kind of great. I actually like that. I'm not gonna lie. I used it around for a bit. It's really good. Enough talking. We go back to the. So it has a charging and charging port and a lightning cable. Well, probably not gonna use this because I got one. I have one right here. It's a 6-inch, 6 feet. My bad. Sorry, 6 feet lightning cable. Really good for stuff like that. Yeah, and that's all for in the box. And we put these guys back in the box. Yeah, so the phone's really nice. The camera, stuff like that, is really good. And just take a little picture. And yeah, I'll probably put it in the video so you guys can see it. Really nice. The back as well. Nothing too great about it. Now I went ahead and got a case for it as well. It's not the best case, but it should do, you know. Let's put it in. Just put it right back in. Yeah, I'm kind of struggling a little because I'm using with just one hand. Using the other one to record this video for you guys, as I promised you. Yeah. And then again, sorry about that. It's been really late. It's 2019 and it came out in September 2016. Yep, so late. Yeah, but I will put that video for you guys sooner or later. Yeah. All right. Nothing new about it. Just has water resistance and stuff like that. Has a touch ID. We go to general. We go to storage. Yes, it's a 32 gigabyte. So you guys can, so you don't think I'm making stuff up. It's a 32 gigabyte. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. And I hope I see you guys on the next one. Peace.